What's going on, guys? Back at it, middle of March, and we're planting some seeds. Finally that time again, and I'm in the middle of planting some Rebel Grown Double OG Chem. And I believe this one won a bunch of awards, cannabis cups, and so I'm excited to grow this. Germ rate was great, and they're just ready to go in soil. I like poking little holes and then just sliding them in and covering them with some soil. Real easy, and it seems to do good. And the next ones that are going in are the 5Gs Purple from Rebel Grown. Don't really know too much about this one. And let's check the germ rate. Where are they? So these ones are just popping. If I get the camera to focus. So a little bit of a slower start. Maybe they're older seeds, I'm not really sure. So I'm going to wait to put these ones in the dirt just so I can see which ones are good or not. Yeah, definitely slower than the Double OG Chems. But it happens. So I'm going to get these in and then on to the next ones. So next we got going in is, boom, these gelati sugar pines. And the germ rate's great. Looks like they all popped. And you always want to start more seeds than you need, because some of them are males, obviously, and then some might die from different ways, animals, weather. Sometimes they're just duds. So that's why we're starting so many. On to the next one. So I got everything else in. I got some Georgia Pies times Rainbow Belts, a couple Roxannes, which is a Pacoima Kush Red Runts cross, and the 5Gs from Rebel Grown. Got some gelati sugar pines, RS11 sugar pines, and then the Double OG Chems down there on the end. So that's all that's popped for now. Hopefully the other ones that didn't pop will pop a little better. I did have some other Rainbow Belt seeds that didn't pop as good. A few more 5Gs. There's like 4 that didn't pop yet. But on these gelati sugar pines and RS11 sugar pines, they all popped 100%, as did the Double OG Chem. So we'll see how they do, how they come up. Watering yesterday, I noticed that some of them did this. That's the seed right there, so I might have to cover that up a little better so its roots not exposed. So definitely go light on the watering, maybe just mist it, or water before you put the seeds in might be a good idea. But yep, that's what I got going on right now. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.